guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, I welcome you. I am super excited because I got another Verydice unboxing for you guys, and I've been waiting for this package since I want to say the 9th. And if you're a frequent buyer on Amazon, you guys know that high you get when you get a package. But anyway, if you're not familiar with the Verydice, it's a game, it's an app where you roll dice every day and you get rolls, and those rolls turn into tickets. And you can redeem those tickets for free stuff that gets shipped from Amazon. And this is probably my 11th package from Amazon. I highly recommend downloading the app if you want to get free stuff. I will have my friend code somewhere on the screen here or down below in the description. If you use my friend code, you get 30 free rolls, and I also get 30 free rolls. So you help me out, I help you out. See how it works. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. I like the way they did this packaging. This is the first time I've got a package like this. With each redemption that you get 2 pieces of paper. And one of them is a receipt stating which one you got. Excuse my messy hair. I just got out of the shower maybe an hour ago. But there's your receipt. And this is a thank you note. It says, "Thank you for playing Verydice, Ashley. Enjoy." Now let's get to the real fun stuff, shall we? This is another Christmas present for my boyfriend. So let's see what I got him. I got him Yahtzee because he's an avid board game player, and this is one that I know that he doesn't have, and I figured since he loves to play board games, this is something me and him can do together when I go visit him. So yeah, I really hope he likes it, and I'm very thankful he does not watch my videos or even know about my channel for that matter. So yeah, like I said, if you want to download the app, I'll have my friend code linked in the description or somewhere on the screen, and you can start earning free stuff too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention. I would highly recommend downloading Verydice, like I said previously, because sometimes the package will come early, and sometimes it'll come on the estimated delivery date. And with this one, it said on the little thing that it was being shipped by, that it was going to be delivered by the end of the day. But it actually came at 2:43 p.m. Central Time, because I live in Alabama. But anyway, Verydice has not let me down yet, and I highly, highly, highly recommend downloading it. I cannot stress that enough. If you download it and use my friend code, leave me a comment down below so I can shout you out in the next video. Bye!